Want pro-level speed? Start with this drill. It builds accuracy and finger independence. Subscribe for daily pro lessons.
Want pro chord control? Watch this progression. Learn to move between complex chords effortlessly. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips for daily chord mastery.
Unlock hundreds of soulful tabs and licks inside the Ultimate Guitar Licks vault. Subscribe for more quick tips.
Notice how the wrist makes tiny, even motions. The pick stays angled just a bit, gliding through the string. Here's a quick lick from the Ultimate Guitar Licks vault.
Want perfect legato? Watch the fingers. No pick needed. Here's a quick lick from the Ultimate Guitar Licks vault. Smooth, clean, fluid. Subscribe for more guitar quick tips.
Here's a rock-solid way to lock in your string skipping with alternate picking. We're picking down on the D string, skipping the G, and up on the B every time. Focus on keeping the motion small and relaxed. When it feels comfortable, turn it into music like this lick from the Ultimate Guitar Licks vault. Notice the clean separation.
One note, endless emotion. Here's perfect vibrato.
Struggling with clean alternate picking? Watch this. Keep the movement tiny. This doubles your speed instantly. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips for daily pro-level techniques. Hey, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to run.
Your fingers move together. Let's fix that fast. Practice controlled lifts. Each finger must act independently. Want daily pro-level drills? Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips.
Weak hammer-ons? Let's fix that. Use controlled snapback for cleaner pull-offs. Want daily pro techniques? Subscribe now.
Your buzzing strings? Let's fix your bar chords. Rotate the wrist and place the thumb lower for cleaner notes. Daily guitar upgrades. Subscribe now.
Clean tone starts with correct muting. Right hand mutes low strings. Left hand controls the rest. Master clean playing. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips.
Clean tone starts with correct muting. Right hand mutes low strings. Left hand controls the rest. Master clean playing. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips.
Great bends start with proper finger support. Rotate the wrist, don't push with fingers. Play bends perfectly in tune. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips.
Great vibrato starts with stability. Rotate the wrist, never shake the finger. Control your vibrato. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips. Great vibrato starts with stability. Rotate the wrist, never shake the finger. Control your vibrato. Subscribe to Guitar Quick Tips.
Clean picking starts with perfect motion and angle. Keep hands in sync. Accuracy before speed.
Learn smooth, continuous picking across strings. Keep fingers close to frets for clean tone. Master sweep picking. Subscribe for daily tips.
Combine pick and fingers for smooth arpeggios. Sync fingers with picking hand for clean sound. Daily Pro Tips for hybrid picking. Subscribe now.
Smooth slides create expressive phrasing. Control pressure to avoid buzzing. Learn more advanced techniques. Subscribe.
Add punch and control to your riffs. Left and right hands must coordinate for clean muting. Master Metal Riffs. Subscribe for more.
Smooth, connected notes are the key to legato. Minimal motion ensures precise and fast legato runs. Improve your legato technique. Subscribe for daily tips.
Accuracy comes from perfect hand coordination. Synchronize hands before increasing speed. Improve hand coordination. Subscribe now.
Learn to play chords in multiple positions. Clean motion ensures clarity and speed. Master chord inversions. Subscribe now.
Clean harmonics require precise finger and pick control. Pinch harmonics add expressive tone. Use proper angle. Master harmonics. Subscribe for daily tips.
Skip strings cleanly with precise picking and fretting. Maintain clean attack and avoid string noise. Learn advanced string skipping. Subscribe now.
Shift octaves cleanly for precise lead playing. Keep picking and fretting in perfect sync. Improve octave technique. Subscribe now.
Double stops add harmony and texture to your playing. Pick both notes evenly for balanced tone. Master double stops. Subscribe now.
Control width and speed for expressive playing. Use different vibrato styles for musical expression. Master advanced vibrato. Subscribe now.
Short bursts improve finger dexterity and speed. Accuracy is more important than speed. Improve shred control. Subscribe now.